In this video I will show you how you can fix lag in Brawl Stars. The first thing we have to do is open up Brawl Stars. Then press on the three lines in the top right corner and go to settings. It should open up this menu. Make sure to select the correct location, because if you don't, you could get some lag. Also prevent other apps from running in the background. To do this you have to go back to your home screen and swipe up at the bottom of your screen. Then swipe all the apps away to stop them from running in the background. Next open up your settings and go to General. Make sure that your phone is up to date. You can check this by pressing on Software Update and make sure that the latest version is installed. Next go back to General and press on Background App Refresh. You should turn the setting off to prevent other apps from updating while in game. Lastly, you can restart your phone in case you haven't done this in a while. This will restart some services and processes and can improve your performance while playing Brawl Stars. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.